Hello everyone, how are you doing guys? Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. How are you doing, Max? Today is a Friday.
Yeah, in Brazil we used to say sexto, but
Yeah.
yeah, welcome everyone in the chat. So send message to us in order to say where are you from, where are you living now, where are you watching us. So just to see if everything is okay to you, just say to us if everything is working, the sound effects. We will still
I, I
use the
will
sound effects. Yeah.
I will controller today the sound is but
Yeah,
but it's not very happy because we have a great improvised today.
yeah,
Is
yeah.
correctly English?
Yeah. Actually, today we have been talking to you guys that today we used to we intend to bring a guest today to talk about English and something like that. Am I right, Gabriel?
You're
But
right.
unfortunately, our teacher is not available today. But let's move on, doing some contributions today, and probably next week we will bring news to you about that, about those questions. Okay, am I right, Gabriel?
Okay. You're right, Max.
Yeah,
Uh, After this a little bad news, because this is not good news.
yeah.
We
It's
was
yeah.
waiting a guest today, but heavy things is how can I say we losing the control. Okay, but it's whatever. But today we have another things very cool. We make a little contribution in this project JNoSQL. I am right, Max?
Yeah, we did some contributions in the last session. Actually,
Yes,
Gabriel
the
did
last
this
session I make the contribution, and today we can make a testing. Before you starting your contribution, you can make a little review if you have commentaries about the contribution.
Sure. Let's do
All
that.
right,
Let's do that. Oh, let me open
I
the.
show you screen here.
Really? So that's okay. So let me open the project in order to see what we did. Hold on, please. Hold.
Oh, Max is changing my face.
No worries. I'm here. I'm
You're
here.
right, Max.
I'm back. Oh,
Oh, I think you Max have the problem in your connection.
and
Max,
are
you
you
can hear
listening
me?
me? Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but your picture is frozen. Like oh, and Max get out and the live is
Meu
return
lá.
now. You are okay, Max?
Oh, I'm okay. Let's get started again.
I hear you screaming. Ah!
Oh no. It's fun. It's sometimes something's out of the control is happening down here, but that's okay. Let me get started. Share my screen.
Perfect.
Okay, let's go back. Well, last week we did some contributions, and actually we have been work on this issue. Am I right? And
Yes.
we did some contributions regarding to this issue. If we scroll down, we can see this one. This PR looks like it was approved and merged already. But let's open this one to see the comments. And okay, looks like everything is in a good shape. Everything looks good. I've just mention the issue, because when we do this, we automatically make a relationship between the issues. So because if you take a look, we are working in a different repository. So that's the reason why I did it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So based on that, looks like everything is working now. So we did some changes, as we can see. Gabriel changed the version to use the 1.0.0 snapshot version from the JNoSQL MongoDB database model, database dependency. So, but of course, we are pointing to a snapshot version. So it's a good one. So looks like everything is working fine because we did some tests on the time. Am I right, Gabriel? And
All right.
everything is still working so far. So uh, probably Otavio did some code review and check everything and
No,
accept
don't
and
have the
approve.
commentaries, right? Like
Yeah,
if you don't have commentaries, I understand it's perfect.
yeah. If there's no comments, there's no comments. Well, we can assume that it was approved. Oh, Enio,
Hello,
good
Jenny, good
evening.
evening. How are
Oh,
you
it's
doing,
good to
man?
see you. Yeah, that's it. So I think that everything's in good shape because if he probably if Otavio detects some issue or something's not in good
Some problem?
enough, he should alert us, notify us to do something. Probably, and it's normal. Sometimes it happens, and when it happens, we need to use this comment as an opportunity to learn and to learn more about the project and to make a good relationship with maintainers of the open source projects. And probably when you get to learn more about things, it's very important to get a good relationship. So that's okay. So I think that it's good enough. We know that this project there is no more a module. Sorry guys, let me clarify a mistake that I did in our last session during the type or the commit type. I tried to help Gabriel, and I my pronunciation wasn't wrong, wasn't not correct on the time. Instead of to say model, I I should say module, because module is related to MODULE from Maven, because model is another kind of thing. It's model. It's MODEL. It's very different. So,
I was correctly.
yeah. But it's normal. It's part of the job. It's part of the process, and that's the reason why we are doing this. We use this session to improve yourselves.
Like
The
today, I will make a joker with you, Max.
Yeah, you are allowed. You are allowed. Okay, you can do this. So let's see what we can.
I'm sorry.
Oh, those sounds are so fun, so great on this platform. So the sound effects are very amazing. So let's figure out that the next task, the next contribution that we can do. Okay, so I think that we can go back and still work on this issue, because there are a lot of tasks to do in order to make this completed. So instead of to work on this one, let's work on the standard edition SE demos. Okay, looks like this project is more completed because it's covered a lot of databases integration using JNoSQL. So, but what we need to do, we need to change the project in order to use the snapshot version of the database, JNoSQL database artifacts instead of to use the previous one. So it's part of the job. We need to keep everything synchronized. That's the reason why we are doing this. Okay. So in order to do that, you want to say something? I don't know, guys on the chat got some questions. Please send us. We are
Like,
very
don't feeling
help.
shy, guys.
Yeah, yeah. And okay, today it's Friday. We used to down put deploy projects on today because well, most of the company used to avoid to deploy things on a Friday, but we are doing some contributions.
I don't like this.
It's just a joke. It's just a joke.
Deploying the Friday after 5 p.m. I don't know, man. Like, this is having a great smell.
It's
This is
not a good.
even a
Yeah.
problem.
No, that's okay. I'm good with that because well, unfortunately, we need to how can I say to results to bring results to the company, achieve the expectations. So sometimes we need to do those things. But let's do that. Let's do that thing. Okay. So in order to do that, I will open my command line because I like to work with command line. Okay, so
Oh, we have a message. Oh, it's only Larry.
yeah, it's allowed.
That's a lot.
Anyway, is laughing aloud. LOL, if I'm not wrong. Lot of loud. Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah.
So CD, I did my clone already. So here is there's one. I just pull down the changes. I just synchronized already everything in my local machine. So I think that we could okay that I could open my ED right here. So open this one. Okay, go ahead, please. Okay, still open. Okay. Well, I'm trying to use the new UI from IntelliJ, so I'm trying
I
to
see this
familiar
more
with that.
in my opinion. I like this design. It's very clear, but
Yeah,
how can I say? I prefer the old.
yeah. Well, I don't know if I'm just to trying to test it because well it's more cleaner. I have been listening to something about this new UI. It looks like many developers are getting start to love it. So I want to make sure if it's work for me. I'm my own concern is about the behavior. I hope the behavior is still the same. So I just to test it. Let's see if everything is working. Okay. Okay. So first of all, let's see what we have right now. So this is the palm. Okay. Well, first thing that I can figure out is that this project is using as parent one JNoSQL parents. I don't know if well. My question is why we need to use this one as sample, but that's okay.
Oh,
Let's slow down.
do you need change its versions, right? It's because it's the
Yeah,
same issue.
yeah,
How I
yeah. But
oh,
my question is why I think that it was done on the time during some sessions from I think Otavio did this tests and this wrote the most of the codes that we are really got right here, but probably he did it as like as us. We used to use the same pattern. We used to use dependencies from another project that we used to work. So and I think that that's the reason why he used that. Because if you take a look on there's another repository, we just
Oh, and you say I like this interface on GNOME desktop.
oh, great, great.
GNOME.
I'm using Ubuntu, but with GNOME desktop as well. So I love it. Actually, I'm liking. I'm getting start to like. It's pretty similar to VS Code, but of course, it's not a VS Code. There are a lot of functions right here as well. But anyway, let's let's go back. So what I'm saying is, on a demo EE project, because they both got the same responsibility, that is holding sample codes just like that. So this one, what we did, we create the model and the modules right here, and we dedicate any kind of module are responsible for their dependencies. So this is something very common on this project. But of course, if we have dependencies that is common between more than one module, we used to use this pattern, create a parent, hold the dependence, the shared dependence on there, because we want to spread this thing to the child modules. Okay, yeah, that's it. Great, Daniel, great. Yeah, it's good to see. So and on the community, we used to listen to people in order to do some experimentations to understand, to learn more about that. So feel free to send comments on the chat. You will be you are always welcome. Okay. So I get my coffee. Hold on, let me drink my coffee a little bit.
I
We
drink
are
my
on
water,
coffee with
and
Java.
before they start live, Max. Oh, it's a coffee with Java. No, no water with Java. Oh my God, I forgot to
You are a
make a
trader.
coffee.
You're a trader. That's okay. No, water is a good one. Water.
Oh,
Coffee
in,
we uses water as well, so it's
in
everything.
my how can I say in my the oh my God, diffusion. I drink water because the coffee give me how can I say coffee give more energy and I don't can sleep and I want to sleep this night.
Oh my god. Well, I can drink many, a lot of coffee, and I will be able to sleep. So this problem, I don't face this problem today. Okay, so go ahead. Let's go ahead. So let's choose one of those models. I will. I don't know. I don't know if the size of the screen is good enough to you guys, but I think that I could do something like that. Oh, it's better. I I I increased the size of the letters, so it's very important. So what do we need to do first of all? Let's change this one. Let's supergrade this model only today. Okay. So after that we can get over to another modules. Okay, so this one, in order to figure out what this one is do, let's figure out the readme. So it is
DB.
yeah, it's a
I, I
RongoDB.
like I like this.
This name,
No, this name and the picture because it's a advocate.
it's avocado. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Avocado. Oh, right.
yeah. I am a developer advocate, and the symbol, the icon, the image, the logo for their relations used to be avocado as well. Oh, today celebrates international. Oh yeah, it's really, it's real. It's a real information, Anya.
I don't
Today
know.
is the
I
International
verify
Coffee
now.
Day. Oh, find out on the internet. Let's see if it's true. Oh, cheers, cheers, cheers to everyone that
If
is
this
drinking
is
coffee
true,
today.
I need making coffee.
And I don't know if
No, 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 no. Hey, you told a liar for us. It's
no, really.
first
Well,
October.
Annie was helping us, so he got credit to do some jokes. Okay, so let's see the documentation. So ArangoDB, okay, it's okay. This model is a okay, it's a very strange documentation. What it is, JNoSQL Themes project. It's very fun. Well, we can change it. So let's scroll down. Oh, it's missing some image right here. And also, okay, looks like we need to get started a Docker container. We need a RongoDB instance available to run those things. Okay, okay, but the documentation is very. I think we could do a little contributions right here, right now. Let's do this. I think it's a good way to do that. So I don't know. Oh God, let me see. Why? Oh, I'm in a. Okay, hold on, please. I don't like to. Okay, this one. Oh God. Okay. Okay. So I think that I need to view. Oh, how can I say? Okay. I want to edit it. Why it's not? Why it's not open in a? Oh God. I'm start to. Okay, hold on. Why you are doing this, editor? Oh God, sorry guys. It's something that is annoying me. Okay, okay, this is the one. Unfortunately, I
Do
tried.
you hear?
Right?
Do you hear Java is make wow wow wow?
Yeah. You got a pet called Java. I don't know, guys, if you know. Grab
Oh,
this one.
and the conversation about coffee is very stronger here. Thiago said the coffee of Minas Gerais is better.
Yeah,
The coffee
it's
has
good.
three
It's
days
good.
to oh, and you say coffee has 3 days to celebrate it. I don't
Oh,
I don't have knowledge about this.
more days, more. Well, it's a good information to it's a good opportunity to drink more coffee than usual. So, oh, first of all, let me say hello to Thiago. Thiago, welcome to be
Hello,
here.
Thiago.
Thanks. So, I'm trying to why it's not watching. Oh, hold on, let me see again. Okay, but why? How can we change it? Oh, looks like I don't know why the top the tabs is not showing when we are in a parents mode. Let me see. Oh, okay, no. Let's see. We need to make sure that everything is working because I don't know why it's happening. On your status bar on the top, show members. No. Why it's not showing up? How can I change it? How can I go to the how can I go to the editor? Oh god. Hold on. Why? Hmm. Oh, unfortunately, why not? Why these buttons are not show up on the full screen? Okay, let's do the fixing without that. Okay. So first of all, let's see. Oh, JNoSQL themes. I don't know if it's I don't know if the name of the implementation is a themes. I don't know. I need to ask him for to Otavio about that. Well, I will change it. If something is missing, Otavio will letting us to change it again. Okay, so I will
Yes.
remove it and let's scroll down. Okay, and oh, let's fix this one. I think he tries the documentation tries to point to a Docker image. So let's let's solve it in a easiest way. I will go here and let me, I
You
will
can
try
see
to
me,
do a little thing. Okay.
Max?
Oh, I'm
Hello?
here. Okay.
Oh, you can see me or don't see me?
You are stuck. You are
Oh,
stuck by now. Yeah.
I will refresh the page.
I don't know what's happening, but what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to get a good image right here. Let me see. I I like to get oh oh
You miss me?
a little, but no, but you are okay right now.
Do you lost the response? Like I make a question. Do you miss me? You, a little. No, no.
Yeah, man, we are not a native one, so we always working in our minds, translate everything before to talk. Okay. I like it. I like that this comment. The dog say cough, cough, cough. It's a good one.
Ay, man. Oh,
Okay.
I speak in Portuguese now.
Yeah, yeah. You know. Well, let me try to Docker image. Let me see. Okay. I think we could get this one. And how you put it random on our documentation. Okay, looks like we fixed it or something already. Okay.
Yes.
Also, I think that we could improve this one. So first of all, install the Docker right here. I don't know why he put it on this way, but I think that we could do something like that. Also, yeah. Okay, and putting something like that because I think it's just easiest way to do that. Okay, okay, I think it's a good one. Am I right? Also, it allows us to copy on the easiest way. Okay, so I will change it as well. So I will type it. Okay, okay, so okay, hold on. Okay, and okay, go ahead. Yes, I think it's a better. It's better a little bit. All right,
You're right.
it's a good one. So let's follow the rhythm in order to make sure that everything is working fine on this way. Hold on, please.
Java wants to say hello for audience.
Really?
Hello, everyone.
Okay. So
Oh,
okay,
guys, I
let's see.
introduced to you Java. Oh, you return? Oh, perfect.
Okay. First of all, let's do. Oh God, what I did. Okay. First of all, let's start up our container. All right, because without anything, without this container, we cannot run the application. Need to make sure that everything is working. So I'm copy, I'm paste, I show up. Hmm, hmm. Hold on, please, hold on. I think I did some mistake. So, okay, I clean up and I try again. Okay, looks like it's something running. Okay, it's something running. And okay, I think that I could execute this command right here. So let's go to Rango DB and install this one. I think that I could set up to run this one. I could do something like that. Clear, verify. I think it's a good one. I don't know if I did some mistake on my code. Okay, let's see. Hmm. Oh, there's no clear. Of course, there's no clear. It's clean. Clean. Oh, oh, look at that. Look at that. Annual mention the dates of the coffee days. It's
Oh,
today,
it's
next month, and in October. Oh, amazing. So, happy International Coffee Day.
I don't have knowledge about these dates.
Okay, so let's see. Oh, look at that. Another friend. Hello,
Hello,
Daniel.
Daniel.
Welcome. Feel
Where
free
are
to
you
send
from?
and say to us where are you from and where are you now watching us? Because maybe you are from another country, another city, and so on. Okay, so okay, it's everything is working. Looks like everything was built. I don't know if there is test on this one, but we did a little contribution right here. I think we could, how can I say, get a start to commit this one. So I will, okay, first of all, I create a branch. I used to do that. So I, I used to use the prefix issue with the number of the issue. This is the one. Okay, the good enough. So status. Okay, so I will.
I don't see George here today.
Yeah, maybe. Well, maybe he's taking time with his family. He's doing the right thing. Maybe. Yeah, we need to prioritize those things. We need to prioritize our family to be side of the people that we love and the lovers as well. Oh, another one. Oh, look, there is more messages.
The dog remembered the. Oh, it's a remember the Frank the movie
Ah,
Beep.
yeah.
Yes, the same. Oh, I don't know in English, but as mesma raça. It's a pug.
Oh, I don't know. I don't remember. I don't remember the name in English.
Say hello, Java. Here, look here.
Yeah, some kind of. I don't know if kind of it's a good word to say that.
It's on my baby.
So I will do right here and doc update mm, update readme. Okay. Oh, okay. Great. Good. Okay, so looks like it's running. The Docker is running. So yes, is running. So I think we are in good shape to test those things. So I will open again um, this. How can I say this? This this view. I like it when I doing streaming. When I am streaming something. So it's better to people that like me that's not good to watching to see those things. Okay, so what we need to do right now? Upgrade. Let's upgrade the task. Let's upgrade our repository. So one thing that I okay, let's see. Let's analyze that this one. Okay, now this one probably could be imported from the parents, but that's okay. That's fine. Oh, the repository, the snapshot repository is defined right here, but I think that it's not needed because on the parent, it's already defined, right? One,
Right.
and this is one. So I think we don't need it. So I think that I could remove it. And let's change it right here. So what we need to change? We need to point to the database around the day. Okay, so but we
Oh,
need
do you
to
need the update now the project, right? Because we
yeah.
changed the versions.
I will create a variable right here, a property that will be responsible for oops to to helping us with that. So it looks like everything is in good shape. That's the reason why this is the one of the task. So looks like everything is in good shape. So let's see. Okay, let's see the codes right now. Okay, so this UI is a new thing for me. So let's see the code. Let's see the code. Okay, looks like this project was used to show up samples of code to use this one. So hold on, hold on. Where I can, okay, so to route. Okay. So this one, It's a project. Okay, it's
This
a
is
sample
moment
code.
to fire.
Yeah, it's a simple code that it start up the CDI, well, CDI implementation. So right here, it's using this one. Remember, guys, the Jakarta NoSQL is a Jakarta project that used to use Jakarta specifications. So right here, what this application do? He it is a startup. It's starting up the container, and from here he is creating a hero. And probably there is a builder implementation right here, and
Oh,
right.
Max,
Okay.
I cut to you, I interrupt you a little bit. Thiago say their lives every day. No, we don't know to make live every day because it's a very hard make lives. But we make live three times in the week, and Monday, Wednesday, and a Friday.
Yeah,
I am
good.
correctly.
Yeah, you did a great job. Yeah. Yeah, we cannot do this every day because well, I got a family, I need to pay attention to them as well. So if I do this thing every day, I will need to move from my bed to the sofa. I think that's not a good, it's not a good thing for me, okay? But well, we are trying to do those things in a consistent way. So Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So okay, on the Mondays and Wednesday we used to contribute just like that, like coding, like we are doing today. On the Fridays we used to do a week review and bring guests to discuss and to help and the community about open source contribution. So we used to do that. We did it with this Otávio Santana, with Karina Varela, and today was planning to bring English teacher to talking with us about, regarding learning English in our career, because we are as Brazilians, we need to pay attention with this skill, especially if you are working with technology development, software development, and we planned to do this session today, but
Yes.
something is out of our control, and unfortunately the teacher wasn't available to be here today with us, so we will move ahead this review to next week, and that's the reason why we're doing this today. Okay. Okay, that's
Thiago
good time.
say,
So okay.
hey, I understand.
Sorry, Gabriel, you are saying something I cannot listen to you.
I say, Thiago told to us, okay, I understand. Ha ha ha.
Great. So, well, right here, I don't know, guys, if you understand what's happening in this code, but right here, the weld container CDA container is startup, and right here, an instance of hero was created, because probably this one is the entity of this sample. Right here, we are getting the implementation of the JNoSQL specification. It is the document template. So probably this one is very similar to JDBC template from Spring or another kind of persistence implementation. So this one provides a couple methods that we could use to store, retrieve, and list, carry data from the database. So right here, it's insert, and right here, he's trying to to find out the carry. Okay, just like that. So let's see if everything is working, but we changed it a little bit. And probably once we run up this one, some
Wait,
issues
wait,
could
wait.
we show. That that's the problem of this implementation because something was changed and we need to fix it. Okay. So first of
Oh,
all,
Max.
this package doesn't exist anymore because actually this one was changed.
Oh, Max.
Oh,
And Danielle say, where do you set the collection?
oh, really? Yeah, yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me scroll down. Oh, oh, it's another class. Okay, it's another class. Hold on. Let me open it. Let me go back again. Okay, this one. It's a good question. It's a good question. Well, actually, let me show you. Let me try to explain to you. This interface, the document template, provide us some methods, as I said before, and one of those methods is the select one. The select one bring me a specific interface that is a fluent interface in basics. So we could define a kind of carry, and right here what we are doing, we are creating a carry of hero inside of the template with the name Iron Man. So this method execute, perform the carry against the bind and against the database, and we can get the information from here. Okay, it's part of the specification of the JNoSQL database. Okay, I don't. We could go deeper uh, later about that. Okay, okay, Daniel. But basically, what is doing is this method is returning a carry mapper from. It is a kind of carry builder, and right here we are define what kind of field, what field we are filtering the data and passing the condition, and based on that, we can execute this interface, this component, this object. Probably behind the scenes, some components are working together to perform this query against the database. And after that, we are able to retrieve the data that that combines with this condition. Okay, with that, everything is working. But we can't execute this code because we changed the library, and this library brings a break change in our code. So it breaks a lot of codes down here. So we need to fix it. The first class that we need to fix is this one. This one is telling us that okay, this class doesn't exist because it was moved to another one. So right now this one is on Eclipse, JNoSQL, databases, Arango, and mapping. And this is the one. Okay, with that, we are at least this class was solved. Let's see if everything is still working. Okay, a lot of another class needs to be changed.
Oh, this
Okay.
this this this, this sounds today have a delay.
Okay, so let's change it. Let's change it. Okay, so okay, it's mapping. This is the okay. So I think most of the class are under this package now. Okay, so Okay, so it's a database. It's a repository. So okay, regarding this implementation, we right now it's required to define to put a annotation right here to instruct the CDI to use this interface as to register this interface as a CDI being managed being CDI. I think so. I think it's right. Sorry, my English. Okay. Okay. So this is okay. So let's build again. Let's see if something is missing. Should be changed. Looks
Oh,
like everything
again.
is. There is no errors by now. There is no compile errors. So it doesn't mean that it doesn't mean that everything is working. Okay, we need to keep this thing in our mind. It doesn't mean that our project is still working as expected. So, but let's go back the first class that we trying to work, and let's run the application just to see if this main method is executing as expected. Okay.
The
Well,
sound is very high, Max.
sorry, could you repeat again?
The sound drop it's very high.
Well, for me, it's a good. It's a good. The volume is a good. The sound is good.
And,
I don't know,
and for
guys.
the audience,
Tell us if everything is working fine. But looks like everything is working because this line was executed, okay, and it was printed out in our console, and looks like everything is good enough for this class. But let's execute another classes. This one it was changed, and let's try to run this one, okay? So let's figure out what's happening right here. I think that we could test this one line by line. Let's try to do that. It's a good time to do this. Let's try. So let's go step by step. It's a good time to explore the code. So okay, first of all, we are open the container. I think oh god. Okay, oh okay. Right here the container was started, and the next line I'm creating the instance. Okay, this is the query. Okay, this is the the, the object. I don't know if it is oh, it's a class, yeah, and it brings the build. Okay, good, we created, and right here we are trying to get the Aaron DB template from the CDI, actually CDI, sorry. Okay, we got it. CDI works so fine, so it's returns the implementation, and right here we are storing this line. We are storing the entity. Okay, so right here we are creating the carry object. Okay, this is the carry object, and we can see which collection we are searching on. The condition. Okay, good. Let's go ahead and okay, and okay. So we execute the carry right here, I think, and we got zero. Oh, zero. Okay, zero guys. Oh god. Okay, maybe let's see why it's happening. Hmm. Hmm. I think. Hold on. Let's go ahead just to see. Something's missing. Oh, it's coming back. Two two instances. Hmm. I don't know what's happening, but well, there is no issue. But why this one returns zero zero entities? It's a good question. Well, it's a good question to do to the maintainer. Okay, so okay, this one. Go back. I don't know why. Oh, of course.
ArangoDB don't have interface or have Max.
I don't know. I don't know. It's a good question. It's a really good question. um, I think that the problem was there are two domains right here because we the first application stored in one, and we are trying to run the second application against the same database, the same collection. That's the reason why uh, uh, there are two heroes right here. Do you understand me?
Think,
Basically,
oh yes.
what you need to do is something like that. For example, we need to stop. Okay, and start again. Hold on. And the way if we run again, we got the one only entity. Got it. So that's the reason why we are working with dirty database. But our task right here, guys, is not a related to make sure that everything is if the behavior is doing the same thing. We are make sure that the main is running and any kind of error arising during the test, just like that. So okay, so we finished the second class. Let's check it out. The third one. This is one. Okay. So I remember that we changed it a little bit because we have changed this interface, adding this annotation because this annotation will is required to register the repository on the CDI, okay, in CDI context. Without that, CDI cannot find out this interface and so on. Go back and try again. I will run step by step again. I like to see what's happening on the code.
All right. But I think it's working.
Yeah, I think so. Let's see. Okay, the container is starting now. Let's waiting a little bit. Okay, the container, the weld container, the CDI container is up. So we are creating the idleman entity, and we are getting the repository. Okay, it's fine. Okay, and we are storing on this one. Okay. Well, we are according to our according to the things that happened, we'll bring back two instances because we stored the last one in an hour in the previous main method. I think two instances you coming from here, the both ones probably. Let's see. So one, as we can see, there are two because we don't clean up the database before to run this one.
And Max, close the live.
Sorry, sorry. No worries, no worries. That things happen sometimes. I'm back. Check it. You should run the sound effects, failing sound effects. But that's okay. It's okay. It's run. It's coming back to entities because it was. We don't clean up the database before to run this one. That's the reason why it's coming to entities. So it's acceptable because we don't clean up the database. Okay, good. So let's figure out the next class. We only will check it out those ones, okay? For
Okay.
today. So this is another sample code. Looks like let's see what's happening right here. Okay, the container is open again. We are getting a villain lock. I don't know. Lock from the Avengers. Marvel villain lock, and we need to store right here. So according to this interface, it's not an interface, it's a service. It's a it's a service, it's a class that is noded with application scope that we are okay, we are using the key value template. So because it looks like the AronDB supports multiple kind of NoSQL databases. We have been using the document style um, database, NoSQL database, and right here we will try to use the key value style database. Do you understand me? So let's try to do that. This code just to put the code right here. We are using a kind of delegation. I think so. It's very common to to encapsulate the logic from behind of some kind of service. Am I right? So that's the reason why I think that it was created in this way. Oh, look on the chat. We got a new one. Hey, channel. Hello.
Salve.
Welcome. Solve it. Okay. So let's see. Let's go back to the application and let's try to run it.
Him
Okay.
live in Brazil, to more specific, São Paulo, probably.
Maybe.
It's very high. I don't have
Oh,
any knowledge. It's another states have it,
I don't
using
know.
more.
It's solve. It's a great things that we use. Well, I used to see many people, many Brazilian saying that thing,
Oh,
independent of the region. I don't know, but
I don't know.
well, yeah. But feel free to say to us, channel, where are you from, just to clarify this information. Okay, so looks like we are facing a little problem because looks like the class no class def found. error is arising because this class looks like cannot be find out. So class not found exception, but you're not too wrong. Hold on. If you're not too wrong, in our Maven structure, it looks like this class used to be provided already because let me go to the Arango dependencies. Okay, this one, and I think I think oh, Jakarta. Well, this is one. I think this class is on this one, but probably it's a little problem. It's a class loader problem. I think so. If we okay, hold on. Running. Right. Hold on. Let me just to get the name of the class, and I will try to find out the classes. Okay, it's on the it's provided on the project. Can you see? But probably um, there is a class loader issue probably. Well, I faced some problems like that on the past, and I think that we could solve it on an easiest way. The first thing that I used to do is to clean up, trying to remove unnecessary dependencies. It's something that I used to do when I get started to face this kind of problem. I don't know, guys, on your chat, if you got some recommendation, feel free to do that, but I will try to solve it on my way, okay? So first thing that I used to do is figure out the main project, and I figure out that we are using a parent one, and I'd like to see which kind of dependencies is providing from here. So looks like mm, there is a dependency management. So okay, there is dependencies right here, and we can see that is provided one. Okay, I think it's the one. But many of those dependencies, I don't know if it's required for our project. Let me let me change a little thing. Let me be bold right now. I will get this one. I will remove because I think that it's not necessary to work with it. Okay,
Okay.
and and
Oh,
oh,
sorry. Daniel say there is an answer plugin that you using for dips to look in the Eclipse. Maybe help.
memory helper. Hmm. If you got let's see. Maybe it's something that I Maven helper. Maven helper. Okay. Oh, it's a plugin. It's okay.
I
Maven.
like this plugin. I use it a lot. This.
Really? So
Yes.
let's do this. Let's install it. Let's install. I don't know if I got it, but let's try to let's see. Plugins. Plugin. I think it's already. Where where are you? Right here. Okay. Maven helper. Oh, here it is. Okay. I restart it. Okay. He's asking to restart it. Okay. Let's restart it. Hmm. Thanks, Daniel. Thanks. Yeah. Okay. Let's open again the project. But I need to understand how it works. Maybe I don't know if maybe I need to if I will try to solve it using another plugin. Uh, let me go back. Let me go back. Return that thing and let's try to solve it. How can we use it? It's something that we can do something like that. You know how to use this plugin, Gabriel? Can you help me
Sorry. Oh, you can
with?
find the. Oh my gosh. Oh, do you have direita em inglês? How, I don't remember.
On the
Use
right,
right?
on the
Right.
right, right.
Yes, you can find in right. Yes, this part you can find the imagine helping.
Really?
Yes.
Mhm.
I open my DE to
Are you? I'm using a new a new UI.
and you don't help me.
That's okay. Let's see.
Why
Okay.
are you so
Dependency. Oh God. Hmm. Yeah.
Oh, and man say there is a new tab below when you have in the poem and dependence analyze.
Oh, great. Oh, great. Oh, let me open the same thing. Okay.
I don't use
Okay.
it for this for me. I use it to help me with commands.
Hmm.
Have moments I don't remember the commands. It is
Hmm.
plugin help me.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. This is the one. Okay. Well, I will try to exclude this one because we are using that. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Show conflicts only. Whoa. Hmm. Well, it's very strange. No group ID. Okay. No group ID. Yeah. I think that I need to understand how to work with that. Let me see the demo. Okay. Here's the parents. Here is one. Two scopes. Yeah, because basically, let's see the
Oh,
let's see the
Daniel, actually, when open your POM file in the button of the editor, did analyze from the plugin, and the one that you are using now is the built-in. I don't know if this help you.
yeah we have been. I'm trying to analyze this one. Okay, if I go, let me try to analyze this. The parent, the main. Okay, the conflicts. It is a conflict. Conflict. Okay. Okay, this is the tree. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this one. This is enterprise. Okay, this is the one, the class that got a class that
That's the one
is missing. Yeah, yeah. This is the yeah,
much
okay,
cleaner.
okay. Here is the same dependence, but the version is the same, so I don't think it's that is the problem. Oh, okay, okay, great. Hold on, let me go to this one again. Oh, here it is. Got it. Okay, it is it's a conflict, but I think that it not usable. Okay, data. Okay, JUnit, Jupyter, Mockito, small rye. Okay, some got this thing. Okay, passing are the same. Oh, wait, yeah, okay. Hmm. Okay, I think that okay, so I think that well, we are not using away utility. We are not using the JY now because there is no test class right here. Mockito as well, Smart Rail,
All dependency is okay.
yeah, that's the one more clear. Yeah, yeah. So let me. I will try to do something. Okay, let's try. Let's do something. And okay. First of all, in my opinion, there is no need to use the foreign one. I will try to do that. Okay.
And this is version no snapshot, right?
Sorry, could you repeat again?
This version, what this version? This is version snapshot or no? Do you change it to this version or do you
No,
don't
no.
change it?
I just broken the intricacy, the parent connection. So I've just to remove it, and if we refresh,
But if you remove this,
we
don't
remove it
open another project.
a lot of dependencies. Can you see?
Yes.
I will I will just try to run those things without. uh, without unnecessary dependencies, just like that. You try to do that, okay? So, okay, I remove it. Let's see. Uh, okay, something is missing right here. Okay, I know that our application right here use this one, so I will keep it this one. So I will just define the version right here. Okay, this is the one. Okay, thanks. Okay, 5.1 is fine. Okay, okay, thanks. Thank you, thank you, IntelliJ, because I will put this one right here. Okay, okay, so let's see. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, MRI. Okay, this one API. Okay, micro profile. Okay, okay. In order to make sure that everything is working, I will clean everything. Okay, and I will build everything. I will let me compile everything.
Let me verify now.
I'm just trying to compile everything. If it's something is missing, looks like
Maybe I think
okay.
it's working our points.
Looks like everything was compiled success.
Yes.
Okay, okay, great. So so according to this change, oh, let's go back. Let's okay. So we just holding those dependencies. All right,
You're
that's
right.
okay. So let's go here and see dependency analyze and see if something is missing. Okay, so this is the DB. Okay, let me show the growth. Okay, okay, I think I could click on this. Okay, so is my right? Okay, everything is here. The clips, okay, Yasun is here. Okay, dependency is here. Okay, this is our database dependence. Okay, looks like everything is in the shapes. Let's see. Jakarta data API. So according to this one, I don't need to import this one manually. Okay, but looks like everything is in good shape. I don't know. This is the only conflict, but it's something coming from the database. I could. Oh, it's a conflict, but probably this one will be used. Okay, so I don't know. Looks like everything is in good shape. Let's try to run again this code. Okay, let's try to run this one again. I don't know, guys, if the size of the size of the window is good enough to you. Just let me know. Okay, so
Okay.
well,
This
I
is a great moment.
yeah
I get the sounds drum.
yeah, it's a good time. It's a good time. Drum again, play again. Oh, it's working.
Only
It's working.
dependence.
Yeah, it's working. Okay. But let's make sure that the whole applications are working. Well, I will just to play again just to see if everything is working. Okay, the first one, it's done. It's okay. Okay, let me terminate this one. Okay, application two, run. There is no error. Okay,
The next.
yeah, let's see the next one. Okay, we got in app two, app three.
Or
Oh,
working.
it's working. Okay, and let's see the last but not least, this one. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Okay, so looks like the migration, the change for this module, it's done. Okay. Okay, so let let commit our changes. Okay. So first of all, okay, this is the one. Actually, I like to use the command line. Okay, I like the
Okay, Max.
command line,
Okay, Max.
man.
You don't
Sorry,
like UI.
sorry. I like to use command line. Okay, so it's status. Okay, I'm on. Okay, so the first comment that I would like to do is I will comment the previous code, the previous one. Well, I will commit. I will do one comment change two files. So I add git add on. Oh, hold on. It's something that I need to remove. Oh God. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. This is the one. Okay. So first of all, let me remove it. Oh, this version is something weird, but that's okay. We can change it later. We can do this change later. Okay. Okay. So okay. The status. Okay. What? Oh my God. Status, and we can see. Okay. So I will get comment add sign off and message. I use build because we are conventional comments message. formats. Okay, so
Yes, it's a partners.
yeah. I'm trying to follow this one. So what we did,
I think you can say update dependence.
fix, no, remove it, unnecessary, unnecessary depths. That's okay. Oh God. Hmm. Oh my God. Oh my God. I will fix the message. What I did. Hold on. Oh God. I commit everything on the same comment. Otávio will love me.
Next
Oh my
session we
God.
will
It's a
review.
big comment. Oh
Next
my,
session we will review. Max,
my
you are
God. Yeah.
dying. You're making
Yeah.
a big comment.
Let me. I will. I will. Let me update to use. Let me change it. JNoSQL database. Oh, oops. Update Arango DB module to use. All right. The
Sure.
only thing that we did. Okay. Yeah, but what we can do also is to upgrade the other ones, but I don't know if you got time to do this one again today. Um, yeah, I think that we could move ahead and push up those changes. Okay,
Okay.
Daniel, Daniel also also
Aquele
understand
momento que
what
geral tá.
I
This moment is everybody's.
Yeah, probably. Oh my God, Otavio, forgive me, please. But I don't. But well, I changed it for only for files, I think. Well, let's push up those changes. Okay, push. You okay? Let's do it. Let's go right here. Okay, this is the one.
Compare and make a pull
Yeah,
request.
we did some changes. We changed.
Later Friday commit.
Yeah, and the problem
That
is,
down.
yeah, the problem is we yeah, you're right, the late Friday's comment starts like something like that. We cannot waiting better than it, am I right? Okay, so Rango, okay, we did some changes on the readme because we upgrade fixed the message, put some information right here. Okay, it's for just um, documentation thing. Right here, what we did, we changed the code, we removed this the necessity to use that because the parents got this information, so that's the reason why we changed it. And right here, it's just fixing the importing the import classes. So we just did it. We just also add the requirement and some we need to complete some requirements. we remove it, the parent information because we don't need it, because we are dedicating the dependence to be shorter. I think we don't need to use as parent, this one as parent. So why we are doing this? It's just our application that is responsible for hold sample code. Why we need to import it? Oh, and that there's more messages on chat, Gabriel.
Yes.
Oh,
I am student in Joel Santana School. I know, man. I know. I don't read this, man.
no, it's a good yeah. Okay, so we have completed. I will submit right here. I should I put the information right here, work in progress information? No, I don't know. It's not a good one, but I could do something like that. It's the reference of this issue will be this one. I will copy this. I will put it right here. This one. If we fix it, we can link both things. I think we could do something like that. Changes, the changes that I did. So, um, I
This Friday is
mm,
very crazy. A lot bad jokers.
I, fa- I update readme file from Arango DB module. Also, I fix. Sorry, update. I changed it. Update on XML to removing move it unnecessary dependencies from project repo. Okay, we migrate um, date Arango DB module to use the NoSQL database Arango DB extension. Okay, I think it's good enough. If we go to here, okay. Am I right? I think it's good enough.
You are right, Max.
We
Just
will,
create a pull request, my brother.
you need to drink coffee, man. You need to drink coffee.
Yes, and sleeping. It's tell me here, Gabriel, go you bad.
Yeah. So, okay, let me create this one. And also, I always like to ask if you.
Oh, Max, we have a great message here. It was good to be with you. I will show up more often. Congratulations to your work in the front of the Max community. I am your friend.
Oh, thanks, Tiago. Thanks. we this community is it's our community, okay. Without you guys, without Java developers, there's no community. What I'm doing here is just to canalize the good vibes, the instruction experience, trying to help each other. As today, Daniel helped me to find out this IntelliJ plugin, Maven helper. So I never used that before. I'm old school guy. I used to get those things from
Max,
the
Max love the terminal.
yeah. I sometimes I try to minimize those things in a manual way.
And try to figure out new UI.
Please, please. Okay, I used to say that because Otavio could tell me more about the change that I did. Probably, I think, I don't know why Artemis name is using on this project. Maybe it's the project, the name project is Artemis. I'm not sure. I don't know. Maybe Artemis is the name of the implementation of Jakarta specification because we are using a Jakarta specification to work with that. Okay, so it's very
Okay.
interesting one. So that's it, guys. So I think we're done for today. We already did our contribution in our open source project. Also, I'd like to invite you to take a look on this repositories to make sure that everything is. If you could contribute as well, because we could improve your skills, you could improve your communications skills, your technical skills. You could understand, learn more from developers, from amazing developers like the Otavio Santana, like another Eclipse maintainers, because we are working on an Eclipse Foundation project. So it's very important to understand that. But also, if you want to contribute with another open source project maintained by under the Soul Java organization group, you are able to do that as well. If you take a look, I don't know, could you go back just to show
Oh,
to these
perfect.
guys? Okay, so if you go to Soul Java, we have open a plugin, a project, open source project. So if you are interested to see more about this project, it's a Maven plugin, so that's focused on help us to automate the manipulation of dependency. So like we did today, manually change those things in manual way. Maybe in the future we could use some kind of plugin to do that thing for us, in our automation way. So if you are interested to do that, so feel free to take a look. If you go to the issue, you could figure out the good first issue to working on. So as we can do also in JNoSQL, you could go to the good first issue to get started to share it, start to contribute. So that's it, guys. I think that's it. Let me change again. Let me change again to divide the window the window with my friend that today just um, was our DJ playing the sound effects.
But I don't know, but the wave
The-
have delay today. Like
yeah.
I press and
Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah. And the bad thing as well that is my coffee is not so warm, so it's cold a little bit.
it's very cold.
I will change it. But that's it, guys. So thank you very much. Thank you for being here. Thanks everyone that spend a little time with us, helping us to doing this contribution. So feel free to reach out to us in our Twitter. So, oh, where is my
Oh,
Twitter handle?
I
Hold
think you
on.
don't put this
No,
today.
no, I will put that. I did the open source contribution. I need to do this, the thing. Huh. Right here.
Oh,
Right
right
here.
now.
Right here. Right here. Right here. So feel free to following us on the Twitter, reach out and ask anything that you want regarding development software, software development. So feel free to reach us. So that's it, Gabriel. That is for today.
Yes, I think today is a great day. We have a great public with us. This is very, very, very cool. And I don't have anything to say, and only I see you in the next session. And all this, guys.
Yeah.
And
Well,
high five.
this platform got some features. One of those features are music. If you guys prefer to, instead of to just to put a little background sound, we can try to do this next time. Am I right, Gabriel? You could
All right.
explore more this those
Yes.
things.
All right, Max. I think it is today, and it's
Other side, man. Yeah. So
yes.
high five.
Yeah.
That's
Bye
okay.
bye.
Okay, guys. So
Bye bye,
take
guys.
care.
See
Have a
you
good
next.
weekend. See you
Take care.
in next week. Bye bye.